I am standing beside the riverbank, and here there are different kind of things to explain. And this video, I am going to help you to explain how can you explain in English. So first of all, I want to show you the paddy seed. This seed has been growing, and it takes maybe 1 week or 2 weeks to complete this process. And after taking up all this seed, it will be sow for another field for paddy, and 3 4 months later it will turns into rice. We usually eat rice. That's it. This is, and there are some water hyacinth you are looking at, and this hyacinth is protected by the bamboo for feeding the cow. And that is one of the best and interesting food for cow. And in our village there are some number of farmers who also cultivate different kind of fields and also rear different kind of animals like cow, goat, especially they rear cow. So they cultivate this field, and they protect this water hyacinth with the bamboo. And lot of perspective, as a farmer they have to work hard, but end of the year they get their reward if they work smartly. And this water hyacinth also helps to keep fish properly. And if you want to take much fish, you have to make a environment good environment for keeping the fish. And water hyacinth is one of them. People also used water hyacinth for keeping the fish, and after 2 3 months later they will take up them. And behind me there are some children comes to the river, and usually people comes to the river to bath. This is the right time for taking a shower. Opposite my river there are some people, they come to the river and they are enjoying, not because bathing in the winter season it's very hard. Nobody cannot bath for long time because water is very cold, and they try to get up as soon as possible. So they do this everything like me, but it's everything is very well. And I want to say something about this river. There are some boats also. This is not suitable for using, or this not the prepared. Maybe the owner will be prepared after 2 3 months later, or when the monsoon will come. But this boat usually used in Bangladesh in the monsoon season especially, and for catching fish. The farmer especially, or the fishermen, they use this. But once upon a time this river different kind of boats are driven or opened for passengers, but this system has reduced much, and there is rare, there is hard to see the boat driving or running on the water, because there is no demand for traveling on boat due to the increasing of route, the developing of transport. For this reason, so I have shown this video my surrounding, what is behind me, beside my house. And how can you describe your village life if you live actually in the village? No problem, you live in city, it doesn't matter. You can use your surrounding to explain. In this video I'll help you to learn, or to teach you how can you really practice about your surrounding, and how can you make sentence right or wrong, it doesn't matter. So see you the next video. I'll come back with new thing, and I will help you how can you speak in English as a native speaker.